Situated in the heart of the village, this is a 3-storey, 3-bedroom cottage situated directly opposite the Arundel and a few steps away from the shop and primary school, on the market at £325,000. Let me show you through. This is the ground floor reception room in the lodge, located right in the heart of the very popular village of Lifton, directly opposite the prestigious Arundel Arms Hotel, and just a few steps away from the local village shop and primary school. This cottage is very, very well presented. Moving through into the modern refitted kitchen with plenty of space for a dining table and chairs. A really lovely space. With accommodation set over 3 floors. This is a beautifully proportioned first floor lounge or living room. Lovely space with a lovely fireplace. And through to a bedroom and family bathroom, which again has been refitted to a very high standard, with a lovely big shower. And on the second floor are 2 massive bedrooms, excellent doubles in size, with plenty of space. With plenty of room for wardrobes and large king-size bed if required.